The fuck? I didn't even see you do that though.
So I'm out here on Hollywood Boulevard today, and I saw a couple right there. The darker couple behind me, and I'm going to go up to them and basically just say like, hey, can I show you some magic, because I just want to show you some magic. We'll just see if it works, if the word because makes that work, but I just have a feeling that they're going to be receptive towards the trick anyway. Like there's this weird thing where you can just kind of see someone and know whether or not they'll be receptive or not. So let's try it. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, you guys. Could I show you magic just because I want to show you magic?
Go ahead.
All right, cool. Here, go ahead and touch one card. Don't take it out, just touch one. All right, got it?
Yeah.
That one. Let the camera sneak a peek at it.
Yeah.
I can detect that the camera is, or excuse me, not the camera. The card is about 23 cards down from the top of the deck, because there's actually, it's not a full deck of cards. So look, if I cut 23 cards down, one card comes over, shoots over.
Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Do it again.
Do it again. Here, check this out. I'll do just that precision idea, where a card exactly is. I'm going to take out the two black queens. Here, hold on to these.
Oh, no.
And
okay.
Go ahead and take one out that you want. Her turn.
Take one out.
Sneak a peek at it. Go ahead, take a look at it.
Go ahead, Greasy.
Put somewhere in the middle again. Perfect. Let you guys see it one more time. The camera actually get a sneak peek at it. So the two queens, which one do you like more? The queen of spades?
Yeah.
Not the queen of clubs, yeah. So look, I think where you put that card in is about 21 cards down from the top of the deck, minus these two queens. That would be like 50 cards or so in the actual deck itself. Bringing your card from the bottom 39 cards up from the bottom. 29 cards up from the bottom. So look, take the cards. I'm gonna riffle through and try to catch your card.
That was decent. That was decent. I couldn't catch you. I could not catch you at all. I gotta give it to you.
Thank you.
I could not catch you at all. That was decent.
Thank you. Let me ask you guys a quick question. So I came up to you guys. Do you remember what I said in the very beginning? Do you remember my opening line?
Just because I want to.
Just because I want to.
Right.
Now you guys, especially on Hollywood Boulevard, where people are soliciting stuff, which I'm not asking for anything. On a place like Hollywood Boulevard, for such a weird reason, or like it's kind of a bullshit reason. It's like, oh, you just because I want to. You could have said no. You'd be like, no, I don't want to see the magic. I don't want any soliciting or whatever. You know, people trying to sell shit. Why did you say okay?
I like magic.
You like magic?
Yeah, I'm interested in magic. Yeah.
Cool.
I like it.
That's a common answer I've been finding. Is a lot of people are just like magic. It's
now,
like it's hard to not like magic.
If you would have did the 3-card Marley thing, I would say, nah, keep it going. I thought that's what you was gonna say. I'm like, nah, you can keep moving.
Yeah.
I thought that's what you was about to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But thank you very much. I appreciate the time and the feedback.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Enjoy your food. Catch y'all. Sweet. I still managed to catch the card. Not perfectly, but pop, pop, pop.
I didn't always gonna catch it because I would be in the frame.
Hey, now you gotta show me how you did it first.
How we did what?
One of them.
Which one? Which one do you want to know?
The 8 of hearts. Did you have it
The
in your
second
pocket?
one? No. The second one or the first one?
The second one.
The-
The first one I saw a couple 3 of spades in there. Did I?
Nope, that's the only one. There's 1 3 of spades, 3 of clubs.
Okay, now show me how you did that. Did you have the card in your pocket? I'm thinking maybe
So
He cuffed it and put it in his pocket when I gave it to him.
no, so the first one, I got your card to the bottom of the deck using sleight of hand. Did it like quick while I was talking to you. So all of the, hey, it's 24 cards down from the top. Let me cut 24 cards down. One card comes over, shoots over, there it is, or whatever.
Right.
That's actually the card that's on the bottom the whole time. Six of hearts. I'm going to take it the 24th card down. It's not the 24th, it's from the bottom.
Right.
So that's how I did that. I just didn't catch it the way I wanted to. As far as that second one, it all happens in the, which card's your favorite? So let's say this was your card.
Right.
You put it in the middle, I controlled it to the top while I was talking to you. That was the same sleight of hand move.
I didn't see that.
Exactly. It's very quick. So if you're holding on to these just like you were, and I had you pick a card, we put it in the middle.
Right.
It looks like it's going in the middle. It is in the middle. Boom, it's on the top. Already.
Get the fuck out. I didn't even see you do that though.
Have you seen any of the magic shows in Vegas?
I have.
Have you seen,
David,
like, Penn and Teller?
I've seen Penn and Teller. I've seen David Copperfield. David Copperfield's
No,
tough to
the
beat.
other one.
Chris Angel's out there.
No,
The Amazing Jonathan.
What you say, Chris?
Chris Angel.
the
Yeah.
guy who he
Chris
was on the
Angel. Every
stage
time I go to
and
Vegas,
then
I see a
turned around and
magic
He was
show.
standing right here behind me, like.
Maybe it was probably Copperfield.
Yeah.
And
That's
then
who does
how
that.
did Penn and Teller make the elephant appear? I mean,
Chris
disappear?
Some
Angel
stuff I don't
was
know.
nice.
But did you see the elephant? Like all the people were standing on the.
It was
stage.
probably there the whole
elephant-
time.
The elephant is gone. Like it was gone. Like just gone. A big ass
Every
elephant.
time I go to Vegas, I see a magic show. Every time.
We're going to Vegas in like 2 weeks. Here, let me show you. Let me show you how this worked really quick. So I controlled your card to the top, right? And I took the cards back from you. And while I was doing that, I was prepping to basically put your card in between the two queens.
Right.
And I said, which card was your favorite, or which one do you like more, the spades or the clubs?
Right.
So in this little move right here, and just switching them out, boom, your card's already sandwiched in between them.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Stole it off.
Oh, so even when you put it down on the ground, you already had it.
Even
in
when
there
it's down on the
already.
ground, yeah. The hardest part of this particular trick is actually stealing it out,
Take a
because
picture of that shirt. That's my guy right there.
if as soon as I make this switch over to this grip, I risk these cards coming apart a little bit.
Right.
So that's the hardest part of this
Keeping them
trick,
together.
is keeping them together, spreading through the deck, stabbing the cards
Right.
in, and revealing that I caught your card.
Right.
And that's
no,
how,
that's good. That's good.
yeah.
My brother was a magic guy. He used to do a lot of card tricks when we was growing up.
That's
I was
awesome.
in the room just doing them.
Well, I'm glad you're like majority of the population that just enjoys magic tricks. So a lot of people are up to seeing magic because a lot of people just like magic. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a different magic trick performed out on the streets. I'm Jarek120, host of Disturb Reality. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and like this video, because I will be hosting a contest once I hit 900,000 subscribers. And every like helps the channel grow, comments as well. Check out my other channels, Best Life I Ever Had. I'm on Twitch as well. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Jarek120. Be inspired to learn, inspired to disturb, and always rise above.